How to contact Amazon customer service. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to contact Amazon customer service. So first of all, just simply open your Amazon official website, or you can also use the Amazon application that I'm using right now on my screen. And after that, all you have to do is just simply click on the menu section from the bottom menu of the screen, and over here you just simply have to scroll down, and you will be able to see the option called customer service at the bottom of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and once you are there, you just simply have to scroll down again until you will be able to see the option called chat with us, or you will also have the option called talk to us. So if you want to talk to them, you can click on talk to us, and if you want to contact through the chat support, so you can click on that. So I'm gonna click on chat right now, and after that the Amazon assistant will message you. It's a auto-generated messages that you are receiving right now, and you just simply have to contact the customer service while selecting the product that you want to contact the Amazon customer support for. So for example, I have ordered this particular order, so I'm contacting this for. So it says that they are telling me that your order will be delivered on this date, and if you need more detailed feedback or further help, you just simply have to click on this, and it says that do you want to discuss it with an associate. Just simply click on yes, and after that the Amazon customer team will contact you with the one of the Amazon customer support agent. So you just simply have to click on chat with an agent now, and as soon as you click on it, you can see that it is getting me to an associate. And until then, you can go ahead and explain your problem that you're facing. For example, you want to cancel this particular order, you want to make some changes in the order, or you want to reorder something, or maybe something like that. So whatever the problem that you're facing, just simply explain that right here while writing a message until you will get to connect with an executive of the Amazon. So as you can see that the Dinesh has joined me as a live support member, and he will be helping me with the order that I have placed while chatting with me. So you can also contact the customer support team or the live chat of Amazon through using the app. Or this is basically how you will be able to contact Amazon through live chat. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.